Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at different tipping situations in America. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and the workers they meet in New York. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What percentage should you tip at a sit-down restaurant in America? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right. Let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, this pasta was so good.
I know. I want to come back tomorrow.
Look, the check is coming to our table.
$60 for 2 plates? Not bad for New York.
Wait, let me check the receipt first. Is there a service charge on it?
Good thinking. Some restaurants add it, some do not. This one does not, so we need to add the tip ourselves.
Okay, I always get confused with the tip in America.
Right. In Japan, you never leave a tip, do you?
No, we don't. The price on the menu is the final price.
That is so easy. I wish it worked that way here.
So, how much do we add? I never know the right number.
At a sit-down restaurant, you should tip 18 to 20%.
Every time? Even if we only had pasta?
Yes, every time we sit down and get served.
How can I tell if a place is really sit-down?
It is a sit-down restaurant when a server takes your order at the table.
What about fast lunch places?
Fast food counters do not count. You just order and pick it up.
Okay, 18 to 20%. Let me try to do the math.
For $60, 20% is $12.
$12 just for a tip? That feels like a lot to me.
I know it sounds like a lot at first, but there's a good reason.
I would love to hear it. Why is the tip so big here?
Tips are an important part of a server's pay. The rules can be different in each state.
Oh, so the tip is a big part of their pay.
Yes, that is why people usually tip at a sit-down restaurant.
Now I understand. $12 does not feel too much anymore.
Do not feel bad. You just didn't know the system yet.
So a round number would make it easier, right? Like 72 total?
Yes, let's make the total a nice round $72.
Or I could make it 75. That feels friendly.
Even better. The server will be happy about that.
Okay, I'll write it on the receipt. $12 tip, 72 total.
Perfect. See? Once you know the rule, it's simple.
Thank you for explaining. I did not know what to do.
That's why I'm here. First lesson done.
One down, and how many more to go?
Oh, a few more. New York will teach you the rest.
Good morning. Can I get one small latte, please?
Sure. Just one latte?
Yes, just one for me. My travel partner is still getting ready at the hotel.
Nice. You picked a good coffee shop.
Yeah, we saw it last night, and I really wanted to try it.
Your total is $5.50.
Okay, I will pay by card.
Great. I will turn the screen around for you.
Oh, what are all these buttons?
Those are tip buttons. 15%, 20, 25, or no tip.
I just bought one coffee. I really did not expect this here.
I know, the screen surprises many people.
In Japan, this button screen does not exist. I feel a little stuck.
You can choose any of them. No tip is also fine.
Really? Is it okay if I do not tip for a coffee to go?
Totally fine. Many people do not tip at the counter.
Oh, good. I feel much better. I was afraid it would be rude.
It is not rude at all. You're just picking up your drink.
But if I liked the coffee, is it nice to add something?
Some people add $1, but you don't have to.
$1 sounds friendly. I think I will do that.
That is very kind of you.
I'm glad to help a little.
Thank you. That means a lot.
What button should I press? The percent ones look big for one coffee.
There's a small button at the bottom for your own amount.
Perfect. I will type in $1 for the tip, then press OK.
Great. Your latte will be ready in a minute.
Thank you, and thank you for explaining. That really helped me.
You're welcome. Is this your first time in New York?
Yes, first time. My travel partner and I are here for 2 days only.
2 days? Enjoy every minute. You do not have to worry about the tip screens.
I will try. Thanks again for the help.
All right, we are here. Your hotel, right?
Yes, this is the one. Thank you for the ride.
My pleasure. Your total is $18.40.
Can I add a tip on the card?
Sure. How much would you like to add?
Let me think. About 15% is fine. So $3, please.
$3 tip. That brings your total to $21.40.
Actually, can we make the total $22 even?
22 even. You got it. Very kind of you.
No problem. It is easier than counting the exact amount in my head.
I understand. Most passengers do the same thing.
A quick question. If we take an Uber tomorrow, do we tip the same way?
A tip is optional. Some passengers add a few dollars after a good ride. The rules can be different in each state and each place.
Good to know. Sometimes I forget to tip right when we get out.
With Uber, that is fine. You can add a tip inside the app.
Right inside the app? Even after the ride is over?
Yes, you can add it later in the app.
Oh, I did not know that at all.
A lot of passengers do not know, so they forget and never come back.
That is really useful. I always feel bad when I forget.
Just open the app later that night. It shows your last ride at the top.
I will do that from now on. Thanks for telling me.
One more thing about tips on Uber.
Oh, what is it?
The app shows us the tip for each ride, but it doesn't show the rider's name with the tip.
Oh, so you know someone tipped, but not who exactly.
Right. It's just a small, nice surprise at the end of the day.
That makes you want to remember to add a tip in the app.
Every small tip helps. Even a small tip means someone noticed my work.
Got it. I won't forget again after today.
That's what they all say. Enjoy your day in the city.
Thank you, Mike. Have a great one.
Bye now. Take care.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin.
The first word is tip, meaning money you give to a worker for good service. For example, in America, you usually leave a tip at a restaurant. The second word is receipt, meaning a small paper that shows what you paid. For example, I wrote the tip on the receipt after dinner. The third word is cash, meaning paper money and coins. For example, you do not need cash for the tip anymore. The fourth word is server, meaning a person who takes your order at a restaurant. For example, the server was very kind at our table. The fifth word is optional, meaning not needed. You can choose to do it or not. For example, a tip at a counter is optional in America. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at their hotel room.
Okay, our bags are packed, ready to check out.
Almost. Do not forget the tip for the person who cleans the room.
Oh, right. For the person who cleans the room, how much should we leave?
About $2 to $5 per night is normal.
We only stayed one night, so $5 feels nice.
Yes, 5 is a very kind amount for one night.
I have a $5 bill right here. Where should I put it?
Right on the pillow, and add a small note like, "Thank you."
A note? Really? Why do we need a note?
If you do not add a note, the cleaner might not know it is for them.
Oh, that makes sense. They might think we forgot our money.
Exactly. A short thank you note makes it clear.
Okay, let me write one. Do you have a pen?
Here, and one more tip if you stay more than one night.
Oh, there's a rule for longer stays too?
Yes, leave the tip every day. Do not wait until the last day.
Why every day? Isn't it the same at the end?
No, because the cleaner might change from day to day.
Oh, so if I leave it on the last day, the wrong person might get it.
Right, and the cleaner from day 1 gets nothing.
That would not be fair. I would not want that.
So every morning, small tip. Very easy to remember.
Got it. Pillow, note, and every day if we stay longer.
Perfect. You are learning very fast.
Now I get it. Thanks for teaching me all this.
You're welcome. That's what travel partners are for.
Okay, $5 on the pillow, thank you note on top.
Looks great. Let's head down and check out.
All done. How does it look in the mirror?
Wow, it looks great, thank you. Much shorter and cleaner.
I am glad you like it. The back is a lot neater now.
Perfect for the trip home. I feel much better already.
I can take your payment here. Your total is $45.
Okay, and for the tip, is 20% okay?
That is very kind. Thank you. $9 on top would be lovely.
$9, got it. Oh, wait, one problem.
What is wrong?
I do not have cash on me. Can I add the tip on the card?
Of course you can. Card tips are totally normal here.
I heard that cash was better for tips. Is that not true?
Some workers like cash, but a card tip is fine at this salon.
Really? Is card okay everywhere now?
Many people pay by card or phone now. It is easy for everyone.
What do you mean by phone?
We take Venmo and Cash App too. Many customers use those apps now.
I've heard of Venmo, but I don't have it. Cash App either.
No problem at all. A card is normal for tourists.
Good to know. I was worried I would look bad without those apps.
Most tourists use just a card. It works perfectly fine.
So the money still gets to you without any trouble.
Yes, we get it with cash or by card. The card tip goes into my next pay.
Oh, so a card tip is fine for you, too.
Yes, it is fine here. Some workers still prefer cash, so it can be nice to ask.
I feel silly. I was carrying extra cash just for tips.
A lot of tourists still think cash is the only way.
Thanks for telling me. That saves me a lot of worry.
Anytime. So $9 tip on the card?
Yes, please. $9 tip, $54 total.
All set. Your receipt will print in a second.
Thanks again for the haircut and for the info.
My pleasure. Enjoy your last day in the city.
Hi, 2 pretzels, please.
2 pretzels coming right up. Anything to drink?
No, just the pretzels. We are heading to the airport soon.
Nice. Salt on both?
Yes, salt on both, please.
Great. Your total is $8.
I will pay by card.
Sure, let me get the card machine for you. Here, just tap or insert your card.
Just the total is fine, please.
Of course, some people drop a coin in the jar, but it's totally optional here.
That is such a kind way to say it. Thank you for that.
We work hard, but we are not table servers. It's a different job.
Right. My travel partner was really confused about that at first.
Oh yeah? What confused him?
He thought he had to tip everywhere in America.
That is a common feeling for first-time visitors.
Even at the airport for a bottle of water, he wanted to tip.
Oh wow, that would cost a lot in total on a 2-day trip.
Yes, so we had to learn where tips are really needed.
Coffee shops and taxis are more difficult. Sit-down places are easy.
I finally understands the simple rule. Table service, yes. Counter service, you do not have to tip.
That's a great way to put it. Simple and true.
I might use that line on the way to the airport.
Yes, you can use it. Your payment is done. Here are your 2 pretzels.
They smell amazing. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a safe flight and come back to New York.
We will. This city has been really kind to us.
Bye now. Take care of yourselves.
You too. Bye.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What percentage should you tip at a sit-down restaurant in America? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. If you want to study more, this channel also has a membership. Members get a special study guide PDF for every episode. Each PDF has the key words, useful phrases, and extra quiz questions that are not in the video. You can find the link in the description below. If you really want to improve your English, please give it a try. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!